Hey, what's up? This is Jared with the iPhone App Podcast. We're going to take a look at Instavis, which lets you draw flowcharts or graphs or whatever you want to call them. Starts out with some help menus here that kind of shows you a breakdown of how it works. You could zoom in. It gives you the names, nodes, graph, edge, sketch shapes, and all that stuff. You can draw arrows to them. You can basically draw a shape and it will put it in there. Double tap on a shape, it will select it and bring you to the node settings where I can change the name here, hit done, and then draw a line to it and it creates that. So really cool. So it lets you draw in the help menu. So let's create a new graph here. Thought I was drawing a diamond when in reality I was drawing a square. So I'm in here, let's call it something, let's call it iPhone, done, oh, no, not done. I can go in here and change the font, I could change the color, give it a gradient, or actually give it a color. Different shades, different darknesses, so lots of color options here. Border, thickness, corners, rounded corners, the color of that border, and then fill color. Alright, so now we've got our deal here. I could zoom in on that. Could draw another one here, link them together. So you get the picture. This is for creating like flowcharts and different stuff. If you've ever jotted on a napkin, you aren't going to have to do that anymore, because in this app you can create flowcharts and map out your ideas. It's a great mind mapping tool. So instead of using something, like a napkin or whatever, create your great ideas in your iPhone or your iPod Touch. This app is $9.99, but it has a lot of functionality and customizability, if that's a word. So really neat how this app works, and just like it shows in these help menus here, there is a lot that you can do. It works in landscape mode, so it will flip around here. So yeah, you can, and just to get started, you can mess around with the help menu and play with that one as well. So really neat. Zoom in, zoom out. Really neat little app. So, and then of course, obviously this isn't a built-in function of the app, but you can do a screenshot of your flowchart, just like that, and you can shoot it over in an email. So maybe there will be some functionality for sharing in the future. I don't really see that right now built into this app, but nonetheless it could be. So drag across and delete if you want to get rid of them, just like that. Very simple to use app called Instavis for $9.99 in the App Store. So that's going to do it for today's podcast. Take care, and we'll see you next time.